yeah, seeing the lineup behind me, that's a good turnout so far. I'm happy.
Justin is just at 7K all the time. Just wait, he's gonna get up there. Insane, bro. Gonna hear their cars though. Damn, that's crazy. Alright, so we just got onto Highway 1. We're in Santa Monica right now. And now that there's not as much wind noise, I can tell just how shot my left eardrum is. Like, it actually kind of hurts. So my buddy Justin was like, I'm giving you a taste of your own medicine. Oh my god. Him, and then there's like a few other M3s that are definitely just fully straight piped in. Oh, it is taking a toll on my left eardrum, I will tell you that. But super fun so far. Then we got Connor with the top down, the roll bar poking out. Man, this Miata just flexes on all of us. Whoa, sick Miata! Highway patrol. Oh my god, that dog is just sitting in the middle of this. I just look over and I see this dog just squatted, just squeezing one out. And I'm like, nice. Good way to start the day. Oh, there's a sheriff. I think he was definitely just waiting for us. Yeah, he's trying to flip a Yui, I think. So somebody probably called in and said, hey, there's a big group of BMWs coming through. So yeah, he's definitely gonna flip a Yui and just chill with us. Malibu is pretty. I should honestly try and come here more often. And there is another cop. Oh, that was 3, 4. How big cop? That was like 3 or 4, I think. some of them are unmarked. Interesting. They're on the lookout for us, I think. Damn, I really gotta come back here more. Malibu's nice. Also, as I was picking the route for this little cruise drive, I saw so many roads in Malibu. I know that there's a lot, but like when I looked at the map, I was surprised by how many there were. So that just really kind of made me think I definitely got to come to Malibu and honestly spend like multiple days just exploring different areas of the canyons. And there looks like there's so much in there. So that'll come. Next time I'm in SoCal, I'm gonna go explore Malibu some more. I mean, honestly, look at this open road in front of us. This is just, ooh, that is a fatty house. Yeah, this road is just begging for us to go zoom, but don't worry, we are not. We are taking it easy. Taking it easy, folks. All right, so someone just downshifted behind me and there is a sheriff right there. I don't know if you guys could see. I'm not gonna go put my thing up. All right, well anyways, he was at the stoplight back there. Someone downshifted, so obviously that got his attention. But even before I got to the light and saw him, there were two others that pulled out and went this way. So maybe there's already cars out westward and they got called already. Oh, there's another cop. Damn, there's a lot. Yeah, see, look, there's two right there. I'm gonna put this down. And I gotta see where the hell we are going. Okay, another half mile. Right at this turn, there's also a cop. Make sure IM valves closed. He had a little mustache, was looking at me as I did a little angle. So hopefully he doesn't just pop a Yui. But yeah, he's seen every BMW just turn right next to him. He's probably just giving them a look. Oh my God. All right, let's see. Pulling up to the beach area. The parking lot is like all the way at the end of this road, so still got probably a couple minutes. Nice day at the beach. Perfect day to bring the Lambo truck out to the beach. You think he's got his surfboards in there? What do you guys think? Right, we are through and on our way into the lot. I forgot that there's all of these speed bumps here, so sorry everyone. They're not that bad though, they're really low. And I've driven this before, like literally years ago, so I completely forgot about all of these speed bumps. But if I made it all the way to the back, that means that we are good to go. So yeah, everyone will make it. Oh man, there's a GT3 RS, that's kind of cool.
I sold that like a year ago.
What the f is this guy doing? What's in there? Is that what Jen feels like?
She screams.
All right, we got a insane lineup of Beamers here. Got my car. I got my buddy who just pulled up on me in a GT3 RS. I didn't even know he had one, and then he just was like, "Yeah, surprise." So I'm gonna let him lead because there's no way in hell that I'm going to keep up with him. All right, we're about to head up. Look at how beautiful this is. You really just cannot beat
Southern California. I wish that I could just post up at the beach right now. Damn. It's an overcast day, and it says only 64, but man, it's kind of warm. I think it's warmer than that, honestly. I still can't believe my guy just pulled up on me in a GT3 RS. Like, he was like, yeah, I'm gonna bring my like GL, whatever it's called, like I think it's GLE. Yeah, I'm gonna bring my GLE 63, like I'll come with you guys. Because that's the only car he had, and then he's like, surprise, GT3 RS. So he's definitely gonna go in front of me in the canyons. Maybe I'll go in front of him for a little bit and blow their ears out, but I gotta let him by so that he can actually have some fun and not have me holding him up. Oh, there's a sheriff putting the camera down. is a big house on top of the hill up there. Wow. Both have great cars. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little POV video from our OC to Malibu cruise. It was an awesome day, great turnout. Thank you so much to everyone that came out and participated in the drive. I hope you guys had fun. We'll be hosting more of these soon, hitting some different canyons, different roads, and I want to branch out a little bit more and encourage people to get out, come together, drive their cars together, and just have a good time. So I'm gonna wrap it up here, cruising on Highway 1 in Malibu, and want to wrap it up because I just want to put the camera down and just enjoy it. This is just beautiful out here. So cruising with the GT3 RS in front of me and two of my good friends behind me, and this beautiful scenery. You can't get much better than that. So on that note, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like and subscribe button.